maraming salamat, sir, for activating this advisory group and also for inviting the commission as member of the of this noble group. So I find it very humble to be part of this regional advisory group.
Peace and blessing be upon us all. Una po, sabi nga po ng ating Chief PNP, hindi po ang krimen ay solely ang may concern ay PNP. It's always everyone. And we cannot do it without the active support and participation of the community.
We have several already a collaboration. We have several human rights education. Actually, one of the program of the commission is the human rights education of the duty bearer.
It is indeed a great honor to be part of this. When we talk about transformation and development, which is always partner, and to be part also of the prestigious office, the Philippine National Police, is indeed a great honor.
Kaya nga po kami, naghanap po kami ng mga individual. Kayo po yun, na makakatulong po sa amin, ma-achieve at ma-improve po natin ang services ng inyo pong Philippine National Police. Wala po kaming mithiin or objective dito kung hindi mapagserbisyohan ang mga kababayan natin dito sa Bangsamoro.